Hi guys, it's Tammy, and don't adjust your screen. This hot pink that you're seeing is not an illusion. This is a box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I ordered this before Christmas actually, and I got it just in time actually for Christmas, but we celebrated Christmas early with my daughter because she is in St. Louis for Christmas. So I am going to go ahead and open this, at least I think I am. If I can get into it. My goodness, it's like mom protected. Oh, that's because I'm opening it the wrong way. Oops. Okay. Oh. So there is something in here for me. I think maybe two things. And I think these are the two things that are for me. So there is one, which is a duplicate of Unicorn Blood lipstick. This is wonderful lipstick. I love it, love it, love it. It is a dark red. And he says to shake it for like 5 seconds before you put it on. And then that's it. And it is really nice. I really like the color on me. So there is that. So I wanted to get a second one just because I was ordering stuff and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead. And then I also ordered a gloss, and this is in the color Ice Cold. He has several colors of gloss. I got Katie one for Christmas, and she's already opened that one because I ordered several times. But I was trying to get the Shane Dawson stuff, and I only got some of it, and she opened that for her birthday. Look at the packaging on this. Does this not say Diva? I don't even know. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, and it smells like sugar cookies, and it looks like sugar cookies. I want that to dry a little bit, and then I can put this on top. Yeah, I'm getting it on my applicator. That's all right. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Looks like a wand, like he does. It is very pretty. So it's just a gloss. And again, this one is the color Ice Cold. And his product is vegan and cruelty-free, 2 finishes, glitter, fantasy, and extreme shine. Juicy, delicious, iconic in its own or over any lipstick. So that's obviously over lipstick. This is just getting the stuff off, but then this one is clear. Oh, and it is beautiful. I love it. So then these two things are actually for Katie, but I'm going to go ahead and open them. I don't think she would mind. I wish she was here so that she could do it, but let's just go ahead. So this one is Beauty Killer. Should I? Oh, I feel bad, kind of. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Those are really pretty. I don't know what I'd do with that one, but all of the others I think are kind of not tame, but they're at least not such crazy colors that I would never wear them. That one though is probably, but you know what, I mean, they do such amazing looks with the makeup. Katie does some amazing looks with the makeup. It's wonderful to see. So and then there's one more. This is the Jawbreaker bundle. So it's the mini Jawbreaker and then the regular Jawbreaker. And I think these colors are going to be crazy. Crazy to me. Look at that. And there is a mirror. Double scoop, orange crush, slice, purple punch, bubblegum, hot fudge. There's no smell, but I mean, they're pretty colors. That orange has glitter in it. I don't know if you can see that. It's really pretty. So there's that one, and it's a substantial case. I mean, it feels good. I think I'll just leave them on her bed in her bedroom so when she gets home she'll see them. And then here is the Jawbreaker one. Oh, that's really pretty too. Let's see. And they're all kind of magnetic closures. Look at these colors. See, I would never know what to wear these with or how to wear that. Like the red, it's licorice. Cotton candy is pretty, but I don't know what I would wear it with. So cute. There's one called Snack. Super cute. A little bit of fallout, but not very much. So this is the Jawbreaker palette. I mean, this came through the mail, so I'm not hating on it for sure. So that's everything I got in this package. And the eyeshadow palettes are for Katie, but the lipsticks and lip gloss is for me. So I think that's just so cool. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you guys check them out if you haven't already. I don't know if you're into makeup at all. I would never have gotten these or even found these if it wasn't for my daughter, so I don't know exactly what I'm talking about, but I do like them. So, you know, have fun, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.